Hey, good evening, guys. So tonight, just do a quick video comparing these two switches. This is a LK Optical red, and this is the brown that I got from the Keychron K6. Now the K6 is the first model that brown switches are being offered, and like I said, these optical switches are very hard to find. Now I figured out a new way to open up these guys. If you wiggle from the corner and then you lift it up, it comes off right away. And I'm just gonna open up the red one as well, just to make some comparison between them. That came from my K4. So the first thing you notice is that towards the top there's a partition for the LED light, but instead of having the same kind of partition, you have these two prongs right here, and the prongs has the little bump that towards the center. Other than that, they look exactly the same. Let's skip those two and talk about the cover. The tops looks again exactly the same. Now the stems again looks very similar, but there's a little bump on little pin towards this right here. It has the same activation mechanism where this rectangular pin obstruct the light beam to activate it. So on the red switch, there's this little protrusion right here that's not present in the brown. There's a little pin. When you push it against the two prongs, it makes the bump. So that's how this bump works. I think from one of my viewers actually mentioned there's on the blue versions there's a spring that clips into here, and that makes the click work. But looks like the brown is completely differently designed. So that's all for today. Just letting you guys see what's the difference. And so if you want to loop the brown switch, you will loop all the sides except for this pin right here, so to not lose the tactility of the switch. Other than that, that's it for tonight. Just showing you guys the switches. You have a good night.